Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and want to explore the possibilities of earning money online? Are you a student looking for ways to make money on the side? Look no further, because the future is here, and it has brought with it the power of AI. Welcome to our channel, where we empower you to take control of your financial destiny. In this video, we will be exploring some of the best ways to make money using AI in 2023, 2024, or even 2025. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive straight in. Content creation with AI. Thanks to social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, everyone can become a content creator and cash in. There are several AI tools like ChatGPT, which is free and can help you produce high-quality content ideas for any platform. Basically, if you learn how to use it properly, you don't have to waste time by doing everything on your own. Let AI become your ultimate sidekick in growing your business and making some real impact. I recommend you to start with ChatGPT and learn prompts in YouTube to get a better idea on how it can be the ultimate tool. The more context you give about your requirements, the better it will generate for you. You can also use many alternative AI tools for different tasks and requirements. You can start by using the AI to generate the script for the chosen platform and use your voice and create the content. You can also create content completely anonymous with the help of various AI tools. Start learning now, and I guarantee that you won't regret it. Now, to get paid, you can monetize it by Google Ads, promotion, and sponsorships. The more famous your channel is, the more ways you can monetize it. Online tutoring with AI. Online teaching and tutoring have become an essential part of modern education. If you have knowledge of which it can be beneficial to someone else, then you can definitely monetize it. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can conduct in-depth research to create tailored teaching materials that suit your students' or client needs. AI can suggest topics and materials for your teaching course, and even help you to write compelling marketing copies that attract more customers. You can start tutoring on platforms like Coursera and Udemy. If you are creative, you can also create a digital course and sell it on your own website and advertise it to generate sales and get paid. Freelance coding with AI. If you have coding skills, then AI tools like ChatGPT can significantly streamline your work process. The tool utilizes natural language processing to help you with various coding tasks. Now, with the help of AI, you can create hours worth of coding within minutes. This way, you can complete projects or tasks faster and get more clients or work. You can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. These platforms usually circulate your gigs with top-selling ones so that you may have the chance of getting a client. While the competition is high, I recommend you to niche down so that you can focus on one problem and potentially have higher chances of getting paid. Watch full guide videos on YouTube on how you can use freelancing platforms to offer your skills. There are thousands of people doing this as their full-time job. Chatbot marketing with AI. In today's world, chatbots are an integral part of any brand's customer support. AI chatbots like ManyChat or TARS can create conversational marketing experiences that increase customer engagement and sales. By leveraging the power of AI chatbots, you can streamline customer support and create a personalized buying experience to optimize sales. You can learn everything in this topic in YouTube for absolutely free and offer your services on the freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. This is similar to the strategy mentioned in the previous method, but it is lower in competition, as many business owners are starting to use this new integration to their websites. Investment with AI-powered trading. Some of the most significant advancements in AI technology in recent years have been in trading algorithms. AI-powered trading platforms like eToro or Robinhood can provide exceptional return on investment by intelligently investing your money in stocks that are likely to see substantial gains. Although it is not guaranteed that you will make money this way, and it's also never recommended to put all of your money into things you don't understand. I suggest you to learn everything about investing and trading and use AI tools to support your knowledge. Investing is very rewarding, as many people have become so rich this way that it actually enabled their financial freedom by having to work as they wish in their desired places. Keep in mind that you have to understand that this way of making money is always risky, and you can always lose every dollar you put into it. Selling digital artwork. AI-powered art tools like Canva, Magenta, and Processing presents a world of opportunities for creative people to not only express their creativity, but also earn a substantial income. Collaboration with brands is a lucrative avenue, where artists can partner with companies to create captivating visuals for marketing campaigns, as brands are eager to pay for unique and audience-engaging artwork. You can also collaborate with personal clients to create artwork for their personal requirements. This can be done by creating an account in any of the social media platforms and becoming a strong online figure in this topic. You can achieve strong presence by consistently uploading your artwork specially made for posting. You can also message potential brands that may need an artist. Online art marketplaces such as Etsy and Redbubble offer artists a global stage to showcase and sell their creations. Whether it's digital designs or physical prints, artists can earn a commission with each sale. Building a strong online presence is essential for driving sales and establishing a fan base. It sounds like hard work, but no. Remember, these are ways to make money using AI. All that AI cannot do is making people buy from you. You must wait patiently and have hope that a sale will happen. Consistency is the key here, as also for everything else. Book reviews, or creating an ebook using AI. Are you a good reader? Then monetize your passion with AI-powered book reviews. With ChatGPT, you can automate the process and ask all the questions you want about the book. Even if you are not a dedicated reader, you can use AI to create your own book and make money out of it by selling on platforms like Amazon Kindle. There are many videos on YouTube on how to create an ebook and sell them. Now that you have learned some ways to make money using AI, take some time and decide what you are going to start. Remember, a little progress every day is better than no progress at all. These methods will definitely work if you believe in them and stay consistent with it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading videos on each of these methods explaining briefly so that you can understand each method very well. So, your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching and have a great day.